can you restore deleted Locket widget account? So if you tap in top left and then you tap here, you can just delete your account. We are sorry to see you go. Help us understand why you delete your account. Then you can just select some some reason why you're deleting your account, and then your account will be deleted. But just be careful. I couldn't find information whether what happens if you actually delete your account. Because you can delete it, and then if you log back in during 15 days, for example, as it works on BeReal, then you can still restore it. Here, if you delete it, that's just deleted and that's it. Maybe that's the case, but yeah, just be careful. Of course, if you can sign out, you can sign back in, but if you delete your account, some apps allow you to restore it if you just log back in. Some other apps, you permanently delete your account, and then I don't know what happens, like if you lose all your friends, all your previous Lockets, all your history. So just be careful.